Today we will see what is multivibrator. The multivibrator is the electronic circuit which is used to implement two-state devices like oscillator, timer and flip-flop. So for example, this signal is 15 volt. Okay, so 15 volt and this signal is 0 volt. So 15 volt represent in terms of digital electronics, for example, high, that is 1, and 0 volt represent as low, that is 0 volt in here. Depending on the number of stable state, multivibrator can be divided into three types. So first type is the astable multivibrator. So in astable multivibrator, as the name suggests, the output will not remain stable in any of the two states. Okay, so we will see this in the detail. There is one more, that is the monostable. So in monostable, there is one stable state and one astable states. The third is the bistable states. So bistable state, both states are stable in the bistable state, as the name indicates, bistable. In this, both states are stable, and the output of multivibrator can be any of the two stable states. So we will see this in detail. So what is astable? So as I already told you, in astable multivibrator, output will not remain stable in any of the two states. Okay, and if you see the output of a multivibrator, the output of multivibrator continuously changes between two states. Okay, they are not remaining stable, and here the time in which output remain in particular state can be decided by the in the particular state can be decided by the passive component like resistors and capacitor. So this type of astable multivibrator is widely used in relaxation oscillator, and this time in which the vibrator remain in the particular state is defined by the passive component like resistors and capacitors. Okay, so this type of multivibrator widely used in the designing of relaxation oscillators. There is one more, there is a monostable multivibrator. It is also known as one-shot multivibrator. In the mono-shot, there is one stable state and one astable state. Okay, there is one stable state and one unstable state. So in this vibrator, the output remain in the stable states, you can see. But whenever there is external trigger signal like this, whenever there is external triggering signal is applied, the output momentarily goes into the unstable state. So the time required to come back into the stable state again is decided by the passive component, resistors and capacitors. So by selecting this resistance and capacitor, we can decide the time period by which output can remain in the unstable state. So this time is decided by the passive component resistance and capacitance. Let's say here 0 volt is the stable state and say 5 volt is the unstable state. Similarly, opposite is possible. Let's say 5 volt is the stable state of this multivibrator, and whenever there is triggering signal and when there is triggering action occurs, then the output goes into the unstable state. Let's say this is the equal to 0 volt here, in a stable state is 0 volt here. So this type of multivibrator used in timer applications. Okay, so timer applications, let's say in particular application, after some time the triggering action one require to turn on this relay. So in this type of application, monostable is used. This is the monostable multivibrator. Next is the bistable multivibrator. So bistable multivibrator, in this multivibrator both states are stable states, whether this is stable one, and an output of multivibrator can be any of the two stable states. So let's say initially output of multivibrator is on stable state, and whenever some triggering action occur, then output will go from one stable state to another stable states. And unless triggering condition not recognized, the output remain in stable state 2. Okay. Let's say after some time when there is another action required, triggering action, once again trigger action occur, then the output will go into the stable state 1 again. So let's say after some time once again triggering action occur, then output goes back into the another stable states, and it will remain in that state unless until once again triggering action occur. So this type of multivibrators is used in designing of flip-flop. So this type of multivibrator is designing various different electronics component. So there are three types of multivibrator are designed using OP-amp, operation amplifier, transistors, and 555 timer IC. Thank you.